In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the throttle position sensor on your GMC K1500. This will be located on the throttle body. Let's get started. We're going to remove the two top nuts for our intake. We only have one, you should have two. Lift straight up and remove the intake. Remove the connector for the throttle position sensor. Pull up on the tab, pull the connector up, pull it out of the way. Using a T25 bit, remove the two screws for the throttle position sensor. Pull the throttle position sensor straight out and remove it. Install the throttle position sensor. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. Get them snug. Install the connector. Make sure that it's locked on the tab. Make sure the boot gets installed onto the intake. Drop this down into place. Install the top two nuts, snug them down, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.